Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Starra. Happy birthday to you. Good morning, PictureUsRolling family. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Y'all see Starra out of school right now because they said a blizzard coming. So they said the blizzard should be here at 10, I think 12 o'clock or whatever. So they canceled all schools. I know the lighting bad, y'all. It's horrible. They canceled all the schools right now. But yep, just been started sitting here chilling right now, watching this. She wanted me to watch this so bad.
It's karate.
She said it's karate, so.
And that is not the voice from Stranger Things. It looks like him, but it's not.
Oh, but yeah, we just chilling. Kit Kat over there chilling,
licking herself.
But yeah, that's what we doing today. But Nifa went to work. I'm sorry it's dark, y'all. Nifa went to work, so I had to pick up the camera and vlog, do something. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We had some McDonald's this morning. We had an egg McMuffin. Well, no, sausage McMuffin. We had a sausage McMuffin, so.
But it was good.
Yeah, it was good. But yeah, good morning, PictureUsRolling fam. It is Starra's birthday. It's officially Starra's birthday. And I got her first, I'm gonna let her open her first gift. I don't know, her bus might come, so I might not let her. But she's taking too long. She takes too long, wait till later. I had ordered her a gift. Well, this would come from me and Nifa, so I'm gonna let her open it. She don't know what it is though. But she gonna be surprised. But y'all make sure y'all say happy birthday to Starra. I know y'all can't comment on this video probably because YouTube ain't coming on our comments. Please YouTube, come on our comments. But you can go to our community board and you comment there. You feel me? So comment on our community board, or you can go on our social media at PictureUsRolling _PictureUsRolling. Our Instagram, go PictureUsRolling Twitter, our PictureUsRolling Facebook. You can go on our social media, it'll be down in the description down below. But yeah, further ado, happy birthday Starra. She's the big 9 years old right now. So yeah, I hope, well I need to go look out because this bus might be coming. As y'all can see, it snowed outside. They Kit Kat. Shouldn't come back in. Snowed outside, if y'all can see. It's freezing. It's 19 degrees. It's 19 degrees out there right now. 19. That's cold right there. But I hope Starra ain't miss her bus. Hold on. The bus. No, she ain't. I don't know if her bus came or not, so I'm looking for a bus. She still ain't ready. And Kit Kat right there posting. What's that Nifa do? Look, here goes Starra. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Starra. Happy birthday to you. How old you is? How old are you?
I'm gonna be 9.
You're going to be 9.
Today you're 9.
Yeah, but I was born at nighttime, so.
Oh, so okay, so technically she should be 9 years old at what, 9 o'clock at night. But yeah, go get that box over there.
But we gotta wait for Mama.
Oh, you can open it later then. Don't worry about it. You gotta open it now. Hey, wait for your mama.
I'm just waiting for Mama. I'm not here open. I don't have a knife or anything. Oh, give me them keys.
Oh.
No, I want to.
Oh, sorry. You alright?
OMG, dog. I don't know who that is.
We gotta find out. Well, not today though, but well later on. Cause there ain't time. If you
You're so slow.
let me cigarette.
Oh, you got 2 of them.
Oh, it tells
It
you.
says on the side where their name is.
But yeah, here you go. Oh. But yeah, she just opened that. She had an OBG. I'm gonna watch the bus, y'all. So, look at that. Not today.
Kit Kat.
She got nothing to hit my arm.
Tells her sister's right here. Tells her sister's right here. So I
we
kind
missed the bus
of
today. Not today.
yesterday.
Well, y'all didn't miss it the first day.
Yes, we
Okay, so we'll film later on. Oh, okay.
Oh yes, y'all. Guess who made it home? The birthday girl. And this is another gift what Nifa forgot to give her.
I didn't get enough time to look at it.
Well, she got this.
That's a pretty good necklace.
Pretty. That's by Jessica Simpson. Yeah, Jessica Simpson. That's how it is. So sterling silver though. So this is what Nifa ordered her. Nice little pretty necklace.
It's real pretty.
So that's your
I'm
necklace.
gonna wear it over this other necklace also. Guys, let's open one of these. Her name is on the side. You know, you have all your characters. And I might need help opening this. So then you slide. Let's keep. So we got Little Miss Bossy.
Little Miss Bossy.
I'm gonna call her Little.
That's her name, the boss.
It did. I don't want to. Little girl.
It's all, you know, it's like wired up for it won't fall out.
Look at her hair, so beautiful. Then we got a little sister right here. Some of her things. So you can reuse that.
Oh, it's like a closet inside there. Let me see. Oh, like a dressing room. That's cool.
Oh, they got a little thing.
Yeah, that's her name.
detailed
That's her
that.
name. That's her dressing room. Like she could change her clothes, stuff like that.
See her logo.
They got the makeup.
What makeup?
It's a nice little box. Shoe.
That's why I'm keeping it.
So y'all, just the wall. Look, y'all don't see she all dazzled out, kid.
I'm gonna give her a little spin. Lots of hair.
She got jewelry and all, earrings,
Watch.
necklace. Well,
Watch.
that's doll number 1. So here, we finna do doll number 2.
Let's put her to the side.
So y'all, this doll number 2.
She has kids.
Her name what? Chillax. Her name is Chillax. She's a Cancer. Oh, she's a Libra. They got on the thing. She's a Libra, and y'all can see right here. She's a Cancer. So yeah, Chillax. That's her name. So she gonna dress it up for y'all. I'll start one.
She likes to.
Y'all. So this is what's her name? What? Chillax.
Yeah.
So this is the other doll. Dazzle doll out. Chillax.
Kit Kat, stop it. Y'all look at Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Y'all, she got so big. No.
Which one? Make sure you. But yeah, that's her dolls though, y'all.
So So thank you for watching that unboxing with Starra. What in the world is wrong with this cat?
So y'all, we at the mall. Whew, freezing out here. Okay. So we at the mall, y'all. Happy birthday, girl. Ninfahall. So we're going to Build-A-Bear right now. Oh, don't run your feet over. Well, y'all, as y'all can see, you must wear the mask. So I know it's music on there, so we ain't gonna keep it on. We ain't gonna keep it on there long, but we gotta wait right now to be able to go in. So we got the rates. See that?
It won't be too much longer, guys. My other cover will be out.
So y'all, so y'all, she picking. What type of bear you gonna pick this time? And you had this one last year. Starra had this last year.
In the bag. They gotta look up here. 342.
As y'all know, this is a tradition we do every year. Marble. It's Captain Marvel 25.
Oh, she got the symbol on her chest too. You just can't see it because of the clothes.
Also, did you want me to hold it up so you can...
So she want the rainbow panda.
And then are we wanting to do another one, or we just want this one? All right. Were we wanting any sound or anything for today?
We'll get our riches.
So what kind do you want?
My boy.
Your voice? I don't think they have that.
We do have a record your own voice.
Oh.
It's a her. Buttercup.
Buttercup.
You gotta scan her?
Oh yeah, we're gonna kick at home. Kit Kat. It was bigger. It's bigger though. So yeah, y'all, we're done. So you can see, You think that place got some ass? So yeah, we at the favorite place. We like this place.
So what was
Yeah.
it for?
Couple of things. So we leaving out of here. That's right now. So how your birthday? How your birthday?
It's going really, really good.
It's going really, really good.
Fun. What if we spent 24 hours in here?
No, you can't spend 24 hours. It'll be closed 24 hours in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. So we going in here, y'all. It's lit. Give them Star one for breakfast. I mean, for dinner. For her birthday.
Add a 10 piece.
And out of 10 piece.
What? What you say? What? Yeah,
Yes.
and a Sprite.
And a Sprite.
Barbecue? Or what you got?
Sweet and
What do
sour.
you have? May I please have sweet and sour? May I please have sweet and sour?
Jason, you want something?
I get the 2 for $5, 2 Whoppers.
Let me get the 2 for $5, 2 Whoppers. It ain't no 2 for $5, it's 2 for $10.
Oh, they changed that deal?
Oh, 2 for $5 right there.
Yeah, 2 for $5, 1, 2 Whoppers.
2 Whoppers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
And let me get a number 5.
Huh?
And can we have a number 5 with that?
You want that medium or large?
Medium.
What kind of drink?
Sweet iced tea. There wasn't even nobody behind me. Yes, that'll be it.
Alright, pull up to your first one.
Thank you. There wasn't nobody in line. Then we order it. Whole bunch of people come.
Yeah,
Give me,
always.
all right, give me my wallet, y'all. Sorry we kind of made that confusing.
Well, y'all, this is Star's birthday gifts. All
The
she
ones that
got.
are standing up.
Well, the ones that standing up, them the old ones.
But I
So
still
she
love
got her doll. She got her. What that bear is?
them. Build-A-Bear,
Her
teddy
Build-A-Bear.
bear.
And she got. I can't see the doll.
Oh,
That doll is
let me bring her up.
She got that doll for her birthday.
It's hard for her to have to
She
sit.
fancy, huh?
Mm,
That ain't the boss doll.
she is the boss. And the special.
Y'all don't see my her grandma gave her the doll over there. She got eyelashes. She really
Yeah,
got
Mama,
eyelashes.
yeah, we still selling
got
them.
her for Christmas.
Yeah.
Mama gave her that for Christmas.
For Christmas.
It's a sleeping doll. It's called a sleeping doll.
Yeah, we're selling them. And then the special one of all, the necklace.
Man, this the necklace Ninfahall got for. I
And
like that Simpson Jessica Simpson
And it
product.
has hope and stuff. There's
Yeah,
like,
it says hope on there.
then there's a
It's a
little.
purple gem.
They forgot to put one more in the front. It actually went to the back.
So you can close out for your birthday.
So thank you guys for watching this perfectly good vlog. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.